Be honest, how many mornings start like this? Alarm goes off, you hit snooze, phone in hand, one scroll turns into 20 minutes, and suddenly, you're already behind. School, work, stress, zero motivation. I used to think I was just not a morning person, but that's not true. The problem wasn't me, it was my morning routine. Today, I'm breaking down the perfect morning routine for 2026. Simple, realistic, and actually backed by science. No 5 a.m. monk vibes, no ice baths, just habits that work in real life. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do tomorrow morning. Let's start. Step 1. Fix the first 60 seconds. Your morning doesn't start when you brush your teeth. It starts the second you wake up. Science shows your brain is most suggestible right after waking. Whatever you do first sets the tone. So here's the rule. No phone for the first 10 minutes. I know, painful. But when you grab your phone immediately, your brain goes into reactive mode. Notifications, messages, stress. Instead, do this. Sit up, feet on the floor, take 3 slow breaths. That's it. This lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, and tells your brain, I'm in control today. And in a second, I'll show you how to wake up without feeling tired all day. Step 2. Light before screens. Here's something most people don't know. Your brain doesn't wake up from alarms. It wakes up from light. Morning light tells your body, hey, it's time to be alert. So within the first 15 minutes, do one of these. Step outside for 2 to 5 minutes or stand near a bright window. No sunglasses, no phone. This boosts dopamine naturally, the motivation chemical. And that's why some days you feel focused for no reason, and other days you feel lazy all day. Same sleep, different light. But motivation alone won't save your morning. You need direction. That's next. Step 3. One clear win. Most people plan their day wrong. They write 20 tasks, get overwhelmed, then procrastinate. Instead, every morning ask one question. What if I only did one thing today that would make today a win? Write it down. One sentence. Examples. Finish math revision before school. Edit one YouTube video. Study biology for 30 minutes. Your brain loves clarity. This reduces decision fatigue and increases follow-through. And here's the cliffhanger. There's one habit that makes this win 10x easier, and it takes less than 5 minutes. Step 4. Move just enough. You don't need a full workout. In fact, research shows light movement in the morning is better for focus than intense exercise. Try this. 10 bodyweight squats, 10 push-ups or wall push-ups, 30 seconds of stretching, or simply walk around your room, roll your shoulders, loosen your neck. This increases blood flow to the brain. More oxygen equals more focus, especially if you're a student who sits all day. But movement alone won't fix low energy if you're eating wrong. Let's talk about breakfast without the fake motivation advice. Step 5. Eat for focus, not dopamine. Most breakfasts destroy focus. Sugary cereal, sweet tea, white bread, they spike blood sugar, then crash it. Instead, aim for protein plus fiber. Simple options: eggs and fruit, yogurt and nuts, peanut butter on whole grain toast. This keeps your energy stable for hours. And if you're not hungry early, that's okay. Just drink water first. Dehydration alone can reduce focus by up to 20%. Now here's the part that changed everything for me. Step 6. Delay dopamine. This is powerful. High dopamine activities early, like social media, gaming, or YouTube, make everything else feel boring. So do this. No high dopamine content until after your first win. That means no reels, no shorts, no endless scrolling. You don't need to quit forever, just delay it. This trains your brain to find satisfaction in effort again. And once you do this for a few days, studying feels easier. Motivation feels natural. But mornings aren't perfect every day. So what happens when everything goes wrong? Step 7. The 2-minute reset. Bad morning, overslept, missed everything? Don't quit the day. Use the 2-minute reset. Stand up, take 5 deep breaths, and ask, what's the smallest useful action right now? Maybe it's opening your notebook, reading one page, sending one email, Momentum doesn't come from motivation. It comes from starting small. And this is how consistent people stay consistent. Let's wrap this up.